Spreadsheets are boring, but this one will save you a lot of time and money. Let's dive right in. Gigs. So type in the date of the gig, what type it was, how much you got paid, and where it was. Then type in the distance to the venue. It will automatically calculate the return mileage and how much you can claim on your tax return. At the moment in the UK, it's 45p a mile for the first 10k and then 24p a mile after that. That's cars and vans. At bikes, it's 24p a mile flat rate. These black numbers are the total you've put in. You can do a dated report or work out for your taxes, and it will count for that 10k if you've driven over 10k, which is quite a lot of gigs. Earnings. So this section is anything which doesn't have a petrol allowance attached to it. So it could be Spotify payments, enormous, or teaching, or any other income that you had for your business. Expenses, anything going out basically. Again, the black number is everything totaled, or you can do a dated report. This building sheet, so if you work at home, you can claim a portion of your bills back on your tax return, and you should be doing this if you spend a lot of time at home working. Living areas, so this is something like a bedroom or a living room. If you have 5 in your house, so perhaps you have a 4-bedroom house and there's a living room as well, one of them is used for business, that gives you a 20% allowance on your bills, and that's everything: electricity, water, mortgage, rent, council tax, phone bill, internet, claim everything. If you have a separate unit, maybe a rental, or you rent a studio space somewhere, just put everything down. And again, the black total is everything on the sheet, just so you know how much you've spent in total, or you can put a data report in by typing the numbers in. This all gets fed to the transaction summary. So we have the breakdown per month, and if you have more information stored, you can put the year. On the right here, we have income versus cost. That's everything you earned versus everything you spend that month, plus a lovely graph showing your running total for the year. This tax report here, so choose the tax dates, and it will tell you exactly the numbers that you can put in for your tax return, and it will save you all of that time. Over here, if you want to look at your expenses, what you can do is, again, type in any dates here, and it'll give you a breakdown on this lovely pie chart, so you can see where most of your money is going. Very useful tool here for mileage split. So what you do here is choose how much the fuel budget is for the band, and this can work for up to 12 members. So if one person drove 100 miles, they wrote 200 back, and their allowance here will be the entire thing. If someone else drove 58 miles to the venue, it automatically calculates what the split was. And if you have more band members, then it automatically calculates everything you need, and that should save you quite a headache. This is very easy to use. If you're on a break between sets, just slap it in and you are done. And you can put it in your invoice. You might have one of these already, but if not, this is a very easy template. Just fill in the details, export as PDF, and send it off to get paid. There's also an extensive help sheet there, so this just tells you exactly what to do in every column, but it should be quite self-explanatory. It's all the explanations you need, and if you have any problems, please do get in touch.